Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device supports vibration sound and haptics. This matters because not all speakers transfer low frequencies into tactile feedback. First, enable vibration and media audio and set volume to around 50% so you can hear and feel effects without distortion. Once done, play a short test tone at 500 Hz in 0. 1 second bursts to verify vibration coupling. This first check saves time. It tells you whether to continue tweaking or switch hardware. Next, you tune frequency and timing to shape the vibration sound. Sweep from 20 to 200 Hz to locate the strongest tactile response, because different enclosures and materials resonate at different frequencies. Then, make sure to set attack between 10 and 50 ms and decay from 50 to 200 ms so pulses feel crisp, not smeared. Also apply a gentle low-pass filter and adjust amplitude to retain clarity without clipping. These steps let you sculpt how the vibration reads to the listener. Finally, you complete setup by testing vibration sound in real scenarios, alerts, music tracks, and UI feedback so you hear interaction effects under realistic loads. Once validated, save presets and document frequencies that work best for each case. If things go wrong, your main troubleshooting step is to reduce amplitude or add damping. This stops rattling and harsh overtones. If vibration still fails, make sure to swap the enclosure or driver to isolate hardware versus tuning issues before replacing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.